look at that. Boy.
Now he's a herbivore from the plants. As you can see, he's got a bunch of greenery in his cart. That's because he needs to bring his own lunch home. None of us can carry it.
All the way back up.
No, you don't hear it. Look at them, they're just people, they don't bite. There's no need to go bye-bye. We can go see Dino Land. We can go have some fun while the Institute's in a meeting, right? Alright, good, come on. He's just worried. He hasn't been with a lot of people before. And we've been trying to keep him out of sight because if the Institute finds out that he's in this time period and there isn't the proper paperwork file, they'll turn him back. So, trying to avoid that. Alright, which... It's okay. Indiana. Ah, yes. A Hoosier. Okay, now, Lucky, I'm going to introduce you. This is Courtney, and behind the woman is Mackenzie. He said, "Like your shoes." Oh, yeah, those are very cool shoes. Very nice. Oh, he wants to smell somebody's hand. He likes to get, he gets a lot of information through scent. Oh. Okay, well, thank you, Lucky. Is there night? Oh, you have nail polish, don't you? Make a note. He might be allergic to nail polish. I don't wear any myself. Well, that was very nice. Thank you both very much. Lucky, gotta blow your nose. Come on. Lucky, come on. Come on. Come on. Can't go around with hookers hanging on. Come on. Okay, that is like a Rorschach test. I don't know. Okay, are you feeling better? All right, come on. Let's go check out Dino. He doesn't like having his nose blown. I can understand that. Yeah, I know. It feels funny. That's. I don't like having mine blown either. So, no. Now, Lucky, he's a biped, which means he walks on two legs, and his body type is like that of the predators, like theropods, but he's not a carnivore. He's a herbivore. He eats meat. He also seems a little bit like a Gallimimus, or perhaps is related to the Sexaurus, which was discovered only about 20 years ago. Of course, the fact is that I still don't know exactly who he is, and that's why I'm studying him. But mostly we just been hanging. That was a big burp. Well, you're a big guy. You know, makes sense. I named him Lucky because he likes to eat four-leafers. We were actually cloning a whole bunch of four-leafers in the lab for St. Patrick's Day, and he ate every single one of them, which was a little difficult to explain, but he loves them. Lucky. Oh, it's okay. He's a herbivore. He's very friendly. You see his cart back here? It has only plants in it because he only eats plants. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's wonderful. A lot of fun stuff down there, down 498. Or we go over the way, which, let's see what's... Oh, that's the boneyard. You know what? I think we should head down this way. I think this is a much better way to go. Well, I go over this way, but over there, and it's kind of hard to explain. I think this way, theater in the wild, with the big... I'll tell you what, how about this? Why don't we take a look at the map? And whichever way seems like there's more fun stuff to do, we'll go that way. So, we are right down here. Hey, what are you doing? Trying to get a closer look. Right, okay. Let's see here. Lucky, no, Lucky! Get it back, give me the map. No, I will not jump for it. Come on, give me that. Come on. Thank you very much. Oh! You slobbered all over it. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll go this way. We'll go this way if you really want to, and I'll explain what the boneyard is.
Hey guys, okay, this side, please. Focus coming this way. Step to the side.